Hello everybody, I'm Andrew, aka Quassi from Quassi's Bell Tower, and what I want to do today is talk to you about my absence. Been gone for a little while. I think the last video I put up was in February, maybe January. It's been, I think it was January is when I put it up, and it was an RPGCrate video. I think I did 2 of those back to back, kinda. Haven't done any crafting ones in a while, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm okay, I'm healthy, still going to work. As you see, the back here has changed. The wife now is at home, working from home, so my change up is going to be a little different. I will be out in the garage again, of course, doing some of my crafts. I'll be doing some of them here. And just want to let you know that I am going to try to do some more crafting videos.
No. Do. Or do not. There is no try.
Yes, Master Yoda. So if you're in quarantine or you just can't get out and you're bored but you want to craft something but you don't know what to make, I would go to tabletopcraftersguild.com and then check out their Guild Initiate channel, and in there is tons and tons of YouTube channels of crafting videos, a lot better crafters than me. There's so much videos out there that there is, you will spend days. I mean, your quarantine will probably go fast if you're just watching videos and crafting. I would go check it out, by the way, guys. And until I post a video out there, I guess I'll see you next time, guys.